At the time of this video, we hit 1,100 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for engaging and sharing the channel, if you like it or not, to all kinds of people that you can share it to. So I really appreciate that, guys. And we're really looking to aim for different types of content. It's the same type of content, tech content, tutorials, and basketball, but it's a change up of how I interact with maybe some people out from going to a function or going out to coach a team or possibly play for a team. I mainly want a type of cameraman with me, and I am looking for a cameraman to do that for me. So application is still open. If you guys are a camera person, graphic designer of any kind, go ahead and let me know in the comments and join the Discord, and we can talk more. But mainly within this video and the video overall, I'm giving updates on the content in general and what I'm doing in this video. And I'm mainly just eating a turkey sandwich with lettuce and tomato, and it might be cheese on it. So I do add in some meat and cheese into my diet for basketball and life in general, but it's mainly for sports, so I eat meat and cheese just for the extra calories. And I'm glad I'm an ectomorph because I can add in this stuff and be perfectly fine as long as I keep everything balanced and mainly consume more herbs and more teas to replenish my body. So only reason why I eat meat and cheese and all that, the typical food of the society, is to add more calories to my body, right? So I've been bulking a little bit, adding more muscle. You see me flexing, yay, yay. But I'm still adding on some more weight, and I want to aim for 5 pounds of muscle, not 5 pounds of fat, 5 pounds of muscle. So that's why I'm still eating meat, some extra carbs like potatoes and all that, some fries. Still adding in some more calories so I can keep on working out, staying this constant burn in my body. So I'm burning the fat and gaining more muscle and taking in more protein too. So different proteins I may have, and I'm not going to release the proteins I have now until I have a sponsor. So I'm just waiting for some things to go through and start communicating with some people. And if I get sponsored, then I'll be able to release some of my food diets and proteins I be taking at home, right? So that's the main focus, is I keep everything balanced, and I really try to aim for a higher percentage of herbs and different vegetables or fruits to eat over the meat and the cheese, because that's not really the goal to eat that. It's to keep your body healthy and keep your temple clean at all times. So in general here, mainly just eating, nothing too crazy, no FX stuff. Also want to acknowledge that you guys are engaging more inside the channel, so I really appreciate that. And the content coming forward is really tech and basketball, tech, wherever how I say it, doesn't matter the order. So more about playing the game than coaching. You might see me coach here and there, but I'm mainly playing the game and being the player I want to be, right? And depending on the team that gives me the chance, I'm building different film. It might go on YouTube, might go on Rumble, it may not go on the internet. It might go directly to a GM and a coach. And at that point, I'll be able to communicate more with more material and see if I could possibly play for a team or get some kind of tryout. So communicating with teams, communicating with my clients, my private clients, computer science, and just keeping everything running and putting any type of resources, any type of financial gain, monetary value into CYBE, cyberconnect.com. And that website is coming real soon. The website, the app, the web app is coming towards you, your way, and you will not be disappointed. So that's the main goal, is how much I'm investing into CYBE and how much I'm investing into CyberConnect is the main attribute, the main, let's say, pull, right? I want to pull any type of attention, any type of interest into the channel, King Yeshua, into CYB, and to see anyone else is into tech of any sorts, hardware, software, all that good stuff. So, but back to the vlog here. You may see me eating, you may see me riding horses, you may see me at a club, you may see me doing a lot of things. A lot of that stuff is on the social media. So on Instagram, on Twitter, and on those, I give some of the stuff that I have on my phone, because I like to record on more professional stuff, because I treat myself as a professional. I want to take every component I make into vlogs and blogs and articles and in-person stuff, online stuff, conferences very seriously, and each and every component takes hand into what I can make for myself and other people and building more interest. So I have my own professional camera, and I'm looking for a professional cameraman, as I said, to film for me and for CYB. So here I'm recording, and I'm mainly just eating, just relaxing. And the main goal is to get to a point where we're interacting with other people in different countries. So right here, I'm in Jamaica, and I might plan on going to Dominican Republic or possibly back in Europe. Wasn't vlogging much back in Europe, but I had some stuff on the social media. Go ahead and check that out. Just scroll. You guys are scrolling anyway all the time. Just scrolling that page, the same function, same idea. And I have some content on Spain and Europe, so more stuff to come. If you guys want to be into the vlogs, into this, is I want to say raw. I say it's very aged out and out of his prime, right? So we want to grow into a new prime of the channel, of the idea of King Yeshua, and into Cyber Connect. So if you guys want to be a part of Cyber Connect or this channel in general, go ahead and communicate, man. Communication is key, and that's the biggest part on what the channel could be, right? So it's mainly, the other end is mainly up to you guys. I'm giving out all the value, all the material, all the ideas as much as I can, and we're going to a lot of tutorials and tech, mainly software. The value's there, but it's on the other end for you guys to show the value and increase the value and enhance the value on your end. So go ahead and join the Discord. We'll have CYB, the Cyber Connect website, up real soon over time, and you will not be disappointed. So enjoy the rest of the vlog. I appreciate you guys watching, and we're going to be coming up with vlog 3, vlog 4, and go ahead and follow on the Instagram because more stories are coming your way, and more fun times are coming. So take care, peace out, and enjoy the vlog.